This video will help you find your way around Canvas. First, log in. When you log in, you'll see your dashboard. The dashboard contains recent activity from all of your courses in Canvas. Notice that I'm having a conversation with one of my students about an assignment submission. My student just left a comment for me, and I can see that right here in the dashboard. I could even reply. Below this conversation are announcements coming from all of my different courses. Some of these announcements are RSS feeds from different blogs. I can see assignments created, and I can see invitations such as this collaboration invitation and web conference invitation. I can also see discussions and announcements that are active in my course. To the right of this activity stream is a to-do list. This is a very helpful feature in Canvas because it will help you keep track of which assignments have submissions that need to be graded. So I could click on this quiz, Composer Dates, and this would take me out to the speed grader where I could manually grade questions on a quiz that a student has just submitted. Essay questions especially often need manual grading. So that was the to-do list. Now right below the to-do list is a coming up feed from your calendar. So this would include assignment and events that are coming up during the next week or so. This button down at the bottom to start a new course may be visible to you, it may be invisible. It depends on the settings at your institution. Okay, now let's look across the top of your screen. This is your global navigation. You can quickly link to the courses where you are enrolled. You can click on this link at the bottom to view a complete list of all of your courses. And you can customize the links in your menu by clicking on the Customize button. This menu contains another list of assignments that need to be graded. Notice that they're the same assignments listed in the to-do list. But what's nice about this menu is that you'll have access to it wherever you are in Canvas. So if you ever have a few minutes, just mouse over the Assignments menu and click on one of those assignments to begin grading. This link will take you to a summary page with links out to all of the grade books in all of your courses. Click on any of these links, go into the gradebook, and adjust grades as needed. Finally, there's a calendar link in your global navigation, and you're going to find this incredibly helpful. The calendar allows you to quickly add assignments, change due dates by dragging and dropping, and even enter reminders and events. So maybe you have readings you want your students to do. You could enter those here in the calendar as events, or you could add special campus lectures, meetings, or personal deadlines. If you ever get lost in Canvas, look for this little home button. That will take you back to the dashboard, a good place to reorient yourself if you ever get lost. Now let's look up here in the upper right hand corner. Notice that I have an inbox and there is one message waiting for me. So I click on that. And here is another view of that conversation I was having with my student about the assignment submission. The blue dot signifies that this is an unread message. So if I expand this message, notice that the little blue dot goes away. The link to the right of your inbox will take you to your profile. We'll look at this in the next video. Of course, you can always log out. But you definitely want to keep your eye on this help button. We'll look at this a little bit later. This is an important button to get you into our ticketing system, into our documentation site, and out to our community where you can interact with other experienced Canvas users. Okay, so I'm feeling a little lost. I'll just click on this home button again to come back to the dashboard. Now let's go inside of the course and see what that looks like in Canvas. In Canvas, the user interface for a course is very simple. On the left-hand side, you have your course navigation. This displays all of the features that you can enable in your course. In the center of your page, you have your main content. We call this the main body. Above the main body is a breadcrumb navigation. This will show you where you've navigated to inside of the course. There's my handy home button if I ever need to get back to the dashboard. And then on the right side, I have a sidebar. The sidebar will transform quite a bit depending on where you are in Canvas. But you can look to this sidebar for buttons that allow you to edit pages, reminders, options, and also for a content picker that will display existing course content. Okay, just to review, we've got our course navigation, main body, sidebar, breadcrumb navigation, global navigation, the dashboard, our to-do list, coming up feed, and the help corner.